Honor X7a has been quietly launched today. It is a budget offering with decent specifications. The Honor X7a features a 6.7-inch LCD display bearing an HD+ resolution and a water drop notch on the top. It offers a 90 Hz refresh rate for smooth animations and TÜV Rheinland certification for eye protection. The device has a rectangular camera module on a gradient back panel. It features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button. On the imaging front, the Honor X7a sports quad rear cameras. The setup comprises a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP macro unit, and a 2MP depth snapper. Up front, there is a 5MP selfie camera. Under the hood, the Honor X7a is equipped with a MediaTek MT6765H processor, which corresponds to the Aleo G37. It packs 6GB RAM and 128GB native storage, expandable up to 1TB, via a microSD card slot. The smartphone draws its power from a 6000 mAh battery unit, with support for 22.5W fast charging. Software-wise, the device runs on Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12 out of the box. Connectivity options on the Honor X7a include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Honor X7a carries a price tag of 799 renminbi, $116. It is offered in titanium silver, ocean blue, and midnight black colors.